Final Cut Pro 11 now has auto captions. I have 3 different clips of me talking. One where I talk quietly, normal, and then where I talk quiet and normal. Let's see how Final Cut Pro 11 does. Here is my timeline. So I have the video clip where I talk normal right here, and then I have the one where I talk quietly, and then I have the one where I talk quietly and normal. So when you click on the video clip, you can go over here and click transcribe to captions. And just like that, you now have your captions. Here it is playing back. So right now, I am just talking normal to see how Final Cut Pro 11 does with auto captions. Cool, so yeah, it almost nailed it on the first try. Just click here, you can just type Final Cut Pro, and now it's fixed. You can go change the text color. You can also click on placement and have it go above and below. So in the first shot, it just about nailed it. Now let's see how it does when I whisper. Let's see how it does. So right now, I am whispering to see how Final Cut Pro 11 does with captions. Wow, I did really good again. It was just Final Cut Pro. So you just double click here, type Final Cut Pro. So it did really good with just whispering. And now let's see how it does on this one. So right now I am talking to see how Final Cut Pro 11 does with auto captions. Okay, wow, so that was very close. You can see right here, it doesn't quite reach it to the very end of it. You can just drag this right here and move it so it goes all the way out. And then right here again, it didn't get Final Cut Pro 11. How Final Cut Pro 11 does with auto captions. So that's really good with just basically being able to click the button and having it get at least 99% of it, and then you can just easily go in and change out the words you need to. So I added the captions to the intro and outro. And something that I realized is when you go to export, you want to go over here to roles, click on here on captions, burn in captions, and click on the English. Okay, and now it will include the captions on your video. That's it for this video. Please consider commenting, liking, and subscribing as it helps this channel to grow. And thank you so much for watching.